Hi, in the last sessions we learned about input box control. In this session we learn one more control that is called advanced filter control. Let us come back to the studio, Google Data Studio. So this is the control that we have created in the last session. Let us delete it. Okay. So now we will create this. Basically advanced filter has different types of options based on the types of data you are controlling. If it is a text-based column, it will have different options. If it is a numeric column, like number-based column, it will have also different options. Okay, let us create this. Add a control. Like here we have the fourth option that is called advanced control. Let us click here. Okay, so let us bring it regions since control field is a subcategory. This is regions. We will bring it regions. So let us bring it this regions. Yes, this is regions. So we have certain kind of options, like take for example regions equal to certain value or content starts with or like this. Suppose take for example we'll write like C. So let us remember this, it is always case sensitive. So therefore we can write, since it is written in caps lock, so C. So equals to, so it, because C is not a value, therefore it is not appearing. Okay, so let us uh, create it once again. So suppose take for example start with we can write C. It will create data getting loading up. Yes, under under this, so it is appearing this. Take for example, so C means central, sorry, C means copiers. It is subcategory, therefore it is uh, that copiers and the chairs, these are coming. Let us change it, subcategory into regions, subcategory into regions. Let us change it. Yes, so this is also we can see. Yes, under central regions, that means these are the profit. This is the profit that we are getting. Okay, this is the this is the profit, and these are the total sales that we are getting from that region that is called central. Okay, so let us bring once again the subcategory. Let us see. Subcategory, let us bring control field subcategory. Okay, under subcategory let us type. These are actually subcategory. It may be subcategory, it may be regions. These are all text based columns. Okay, basically these parameters are text based. These are not numeric field. So these are the options that are coming. Okay, like equal to, contains, start with, rejects, and in. So this is coming. Okay, so there are three items that begins with A, that is called appliances, accessories, and arts. This is appearing, and total sales is this. So this is what it is coming. Let us see also. Let us bring a few numeric field. We'll see. Suppose take for example numeric field. We will bring this is the numeric field that we can bring. Control field, numeric field. It is coming. Okay. So what are the options? Same options are not coming. Let us see. Okay, let us see. Same options are not coming. So profit equal to certain value, between certain values, or equal to greater than certain values, and greater than certain values, less than equal to certain values, less than or in. Okay, these are the options. That means as it is evident that in case of a text based columns, the options are different. In case of numeric field, the options are also different. Okay, suppose take for example let us write a profit greater than 30,000. So, so no data it is showing. So though it is, we find certain kind of like take for example, like here 43, 42,000, 37,000. These are three that figures that are appearing above 30,000 since it is not appearing. Why? What is the reason behind this? Because when we write profit greater than 30,000, it is actually filtering the source data. It is not the filtering the end result. Like take for example, these are the end results. Like under subcategory bookcases, what is the profit total profit that earned via different orders. Okay, this is the end results, therefore it is not showing. Basically, let us remember this: when we are using one numeric field, basically special profit, it can be profit, it can be sales, it will filter the source data, not the end result, therefore it is not coming. So to that get that to get this like end result, to filter end result, we have to add a calculator field. It is here, option is there, add a field. Through adding a field, we can add a calculator field and we can put the formula and we can get the results accordingly. So we'll see that in a few lessons later. Okay, basically uh, so basically, that what we can learn from here, advanced filtering can be used for text-based and number-based columns. Different options for filtering according to the columns that we have. We can use this. For this, we can use this, and you can use for your source data, not for the end result. I repeat once again, this can be used to filter the source data, not for the end result. Okay, that's for the lessons. So we'll discuss a few more things in the next lesson. Thank you.